Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best mechanical keyboard for office use in 2023? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best mechanical keyboard for office use are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 5. Logitech Pro X Keyboard. Everyone has a favorite switch type, but you usually have to choose before you get your keyboard. If you decide that you want to try a different switch for more click or more clack, you have to get a whole new keyboard. The Logitech G Pro X solves that problem by offering key kits so you can customize each and every key on your keyboard, choosing from 3 different switch types. GX Blue clicky switches for a crisp click and thicker keystroke. GX Red linear for a quieter, smoother, but still satisfying keystroke. Or GX Brown tactile with a soft stroke and tactile feedback. Personally, I like blue and red switches for different purposes. During testing, I used blues for my W, A, S, and D keys for movement in games, and red switches on other letters for a smooth typing experience. I also tried brown switches for the space bar and shift keys, just to mix it up. That level of customization makes the G Pro X stand out as the best overall mechanical keyboard. No matter what you prefer, you can create your own bespoke typing and gaming experience. At number 4. Razer Huntsman Mini. If you're not familiar, a 60% keyboard has 60% of the keys normally found on a regular-sized keyboard. The numpad and arrow keys are chopped off, and you're left with the bare essentials. The Razer Huntsman Mini is my favorite of this size for gaming. It feels every bit as responsive and quick as a full-size keyboard, but it takes up a lot less desk space. There's just something very neat and orderly about it. Plus, like the larger Huntsman Elite above, the Mini is compatible with Razer's keycap kits so you can customize your color scheme. I like the Mercury White with pink keycaps. The Razer Huntsman Mini is a good office keyboard. The clicky optical switches on our unit provide an excellent typing experience with plenty of tactile feedback, but their loud typing noise isn't suitable for a quiet office setting. That said, you can get the keyboard with linear optical switches as well. At number 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro. Mechanical keyboards are super satisfying to type on. They just feel better than standard membrane keyboards. The mechanical switches responsible for such a tactile typing experience are varied, and rather than choose one switch for the Apex Pro keyboard, SteelSeries decided to allow them all. Not only is it a colorful gaming keyboard with lots of bells and whistles, but similar to the Logitech above, it features mechanical switches that can be customized per key to give you a typing experience unique to you. Plus, it has a little LED display for system alerts, volume, and other fun stuff you can toy with using SteelSeries included software. The SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL 2023 is an outstanding gaming keyboard. It has remarkably low latency, and the on-the-point switches allow you to fine-tune the sensitivity of your key presses to best suit your preferences and the game you're playing. At number 2. NZXT Function. If you're interested in customizing your mechanical keyboard but aren't sure where to start, the NZXT Function 8/10 wired recommends strikes the perfect sweet spot. The company's builder tool lets you pick the kind of switches, keycaps, and even cable color for your keyboard, and the company will put it all together for you. You can leave it at that, but if you want to customize the board further, it will ship with tools to remove and replace every keycap and switch, along with spares of each. The Function also comes with some nice features, like a left-side volume wheel, RGB LEDs naturally, and software to remap or customize every button with macros to maximize your productivity. The NZXT Function keyboard has a few extra features. On the left side, there's a volume wheel and 3 buttons. The top button is mute, the middle is for Windows lock, and the third controls the RGB backlighting brightness. At number 1. Logitech G413 Mechanical Backlit Gaming Keyboard. Budget gaming keyboards used to be the province of random Amazon sellers with all-cap names and were clad in candy-colored plastic. Logitech's G413 couldn't be further from that aesthetic. Here, you get the same understated black chassis, the same mechanical switches, and even the same LightSync RGB lighting that you get on more expensive Logitech models. It's an excellent pick if you're not interested in a decade-out gaming keyboard, or you're just getting started. The Logitech G413 is much better than the Logitech G213 Prodigy. The G413 is a mechanical keyboard with significantly better build quality, and its Romerge tactile switches provide a better typing experience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.